What's up, Tigers?
Welcome back to another episode of Kttv. We're your hosts, Emily
and Brooklyn.
Are you gifted and talented? Secondary students had the opportunity to be screened for GT classes if they hadn't already been screened this year. The parent checklist is available on the GT title in My Kitty Cloud. Students that are already in some GT classes and would like to be in more can complete a request for additional GT services on the GTAAS website. Forms are due by 2:30 on Friday, October 6th. Paper checklists will not be accepted.
The upcoming close-up trip is so much more than just a field trip. It's an unforgettable 6-day study visit to the nation's capital. The Students' Week will be filled with countless learning opportunities as the program takes you on study visits to Washington's famous monuments and memorials. Students will get a front row seat in democracy in action in the halls of Congress, as well as in meetings with Washington insiders. Every night has fun activities to reinforce what you learned, as well as nightly socials where you and your friends have a chance to laugh and get to know each other better. This trip is open to juniors and seniors, only per KDISD. The trip will span January 14th through the 19th in 2024. This absence will not count against any exemptions. Full deposits are due by October 12th, 2023 in a one-time extension from Close-Up. Mr. Yates is this year's Close-Up sponsor. Sign up for more information with the QR code on your screen. Spots are filling up fast. We hope to see you there.
Today, the Katy Tigers take on the undefeated Jordan Warriors. The theme for the day is Western, so dress in your best Western attire. Give the Warriors the boot.
Join the Katy Chess Club. They meet every Tuesday in room A230 and every Thursday in A221 from 2:40 to 3:30 p.m.
Come celebrate German American Day with the German Club on October 2nd at 2:45 in room A69. There will be food and games. $10 dues must be paid before the end of the meeting to come to future meetings. Now for Sports with Neve.
The varsity tennis team defeated Cinco Ranch Tuesday night 11-8. A huge team victory that hasn't happened since 2002, made possible by the work, discipline, and play of our varsity athletes. Congratulations to the match of the night, Paula Perez, with an extra special win with solid play and confidence. Today, the varsity tennis team will play against the Seven Lake Spartans here at the KHS courts. Matches start at 3 p.m. The volleyball teams will play against Morton Ranch here at home. JV and Freshman B starts at 4:30. Varsity and Freshman A plays at 5:30. Let's go cheer on our Lady Tigers. The varsity football team takes on the undefeated Jordan Warriors at 7:15 at Legacy Stadium. We will be on the visitor side. Show up and show out for this exciting and anticipated game. On Saturday, cross country will compete in the Nike South Invitational. Races start at 7 a.m. Hey Tigers, last week we introduced our new segment into the Kttv show called Friday Flicks, and we gathered our best photos submitted in the Google Forms, which can be scanned on the QR code on your screen to submit your photos. Here's our week 1 photos. We got some good ones, but we would like to see more. Thank you Kennedy Camito and Joseph Bengler for your amazing photos. That's all for today, Tigers. Make sure to check out our social media at Katy Tiger Media for more school and sports updates. Go Tigers!